Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to go over with you the Coinogy options, specifically exchanges, as well as MotiveWave. Now, hopefully you've seen my video playlist on the YouTube channel for MotiveWave. Also, you've hopefully seen my video on how crypto is easily the #1 asset class for profit. You've been tracking all the successes I've had over the last week in terms of returns and win-loss ratio. So here's the data providers on MotiveWave on their site. We have access to CryptoCompare as well as the brokers, if I'm not mistaken here. So these are the data feeds. So I'm going to show you CryptoCompare. Then there's the brokers as well. So here you also have access to Coinogy, but as far as I know, now again it says live demo account, so I'm a little confused by this because I was under the impression that you could only do demo orders, but we'll find out in the next coming week or a couple of weeks where that is. But I just want to show you everything. So let me first show you MotiveWave. This is the current version of MotiveWave I've got. This is using CryptoCompare. That's working. So right now we have our usual DOM, profile of the market with our changes. So out of box, that's kind of working. The other one that's really important is the number of crypto pairs you have. Really expands your ability to not only just trade against a particular crypto pair against a actual fiat currency like a US dollar or a euro. They even have Canadian or euro, British pound, so on and so forth. But you also can do the same thing against crypto as well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, similar to Binance. There's quite a few choices here, all the popular ones that I've seen where you can make money. Just going through them right now. I mean, you don't have the wide selection, but that's okay because, you know, those can have a lot of whipsaws against you. So there's a lot of winners in there to help you get started. And then you have the standard charting as well, which is very powerful within crypto. So CryptoCompare is free through MotiveWave. And then there's the Coinogy. Coinogy is an interesting platform. Apparently it has, let's just see what we can do here. So here we have our charting. This is the first time I'm playing around with this. It's pretty powerful stuff, to be honest. Also says Coinogy. Here's all the brokers you have. Let me just show you this, probably better. These are all the brokers. Now, if you see my my CCXT, you know I really like that. But at the end of the day, the ones that really matter in terms of exchanges is usually just really Binance. Bitfinex is another one, as well as Bitstamp, BitThumb. There's also Coinbase Pro, Gemini, Huobi, Kraken, so on and so forth. Poloniex. Oh, one last thing before I forget about the MotiveWave is you'll see the exchange that they're using. They're using GDAX from CryptoCompare. I'm not sure if that can be expanded from within CryptoCompare, but I just wanted to highlight that. But going back to Coinogy here. So we have all these usual exchanges along here in this column. We also have Binance as well, which is the one I use, which I really like. You've seen the charting. You've seen the data come in, the changes. Pretty powerful stuff. Now, not sure how this works in the pricing, but it's not free for Coinogy. As far as I know, the pricing's here for the trading platform, which is pretty cheap. $19 a month. That's, I think, billed annually. Yeah. And unlimited API account. So you would use, that's pretty cheap. Free trial, which we're on now. But I would assume you'd use the Pro Trader plus the MotiveWave as well. So you don't really need to worry about these technical indicators because you would use MotiveWave for that. API account, chart layout. So again, you'd use all this funky stuff for within MotiveWave. And I'm not sure the mobile app API access. Oh, you already have that in this version as well. So anyways, but you can, it's pretty powerful stuff, Coinogy, through the support on various Forex forums or trading forums. I'm not sure if people are all that happy with the MotiveWave, but that was a long time ago. There was some kind of limitation, and there probably is. And then again, you can rely on the Python using the current stuff that I've got, plus again using the Redis as your data hub to interface with MotiveWave as well. So this is pretty exciting stuff to see what I'm looking at. I'll have to dig through this more. But I just wanted to show it to you, and hopefully it sort of excites you. We shall talk to you soon. Later.